On today's episode, I'm back fitting up parts on the hard-hit Honda Civic.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Boy, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds and...
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 94 of Inside the Body Shop. So I'm gonna get straight through it today. I spent the whole day back on the hard-hit Honda Civic, got some of the inner structure welded in, the inner structure and the floor extension, and started fitting my outer quarter panel and rear body panel taillight pockets. Still have some more fit work to do on them, but it's getting there. But that was pretty much my whole day. These jobs take a lot of time, they're time consuming. Wore me out today, that's for sure. I'm feeling it tonight, I'm exhausted. But I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, be sure to click that share button. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. Alright, it's coming along. I'm trying to get the outer panel sitting roughly where it's supposed to be. My door gap's looking pretty good. I just want to make sure that my inner structure is sitting where it's supposed to be up against the new quarter panel. But it looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and take this back off, and I'm going to go ahead and weld the inner structure in and the floor extension. Then I'll have to fit everything again. I'll have to do a final fit up with the trunk lid and tail lights and everything. So All right, this one is coming along. I'm starting to get everything fit up. Still got some fitting to do and some work to do, but it's been a project. Getting there though. That is a wrap for the day though. I'll be back on it tomorrow.
I stay putting in that work.